Hello students, so today we will solve this problem which says 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x equal to 130. Then what is the value of x? So let's rewrite the equation again. So 8 to the power x, here 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and this to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. And further, using the law of exponents, you can write this 2 to the power 3 to the power x as 2 to the power x and whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now let us assume that 2 to the power x is equal to y. Then we can write the above equation as y cube plus y is equal to 130. And here we can write this equation again in this form, y cube plus y minus 130 equal to 0. Now the next step should be how to solve this cubic equation. So we need to find or we need to factorize this equation. So how can we do that? So this equation can be solved using the remainder theorem. So let's see what value you can put here in place of y so that whole left hand side becomes 0. So if we put y equal to 1, it will not be 0. 1 cube plus 1 minus 130. So you can check that if you put y equal to 5 here, so it will be 5, 5, 5. So 5 multiplied by 3 times, or 5 cube, that will be 125 plus this 5, 125 plus 5, 130 and minus 130 equal to 0. So that means putting y equal to 5 makes this equation 0. So according to remainder theorem, y minus 5 will be factor of this equation. So let's write y minus 5 here. So because this is a cubic equation, we will write y minus 5 3 times like this, and this is equal to 0. So let's rearrange the terms here. So first term is y cube. So for getting y cube, you will need y square here, because when you will open this bracket, multiplying y square with y will give you y cube. But after this next term, what you will get? Minus 5y square, right? Here when you y square and 5 will be multiplied, you will get minus 5y square. But in the above equation there is no term of y square, so this minus 5y square should be get cancelled. So you will write here plus 5y, because now this 5y, when this will be multiplied by with this y, this will be plus 5y square, and this plus 5y square will get cancelled with this minus 5y square. Okay, and what the next term we will get? When you will multiply this 5y with this minus 5, you will get minus 25y. But in the original equation you have plus y, so minus 25y is here. So you need to write here plus 26, so that plus 26y and this minus 25y, that will give you 26 minus 25, that will give you plus y, right? So this term is adjusted, and at last you will see that the last term is adjusted itself, because when you will multiply this 26 with the minus 5, what you will get? You will get minus 130, and you can check that last term will be here minus 130. So this will already be adjusted. Anyway, so I hope you understood this. Here we have used what we have used. We have used remainder theorem. So if you don't know what is remainder theorem, I can make another video on that. Okay, let's move forward. So y minus 5 is here, a common factor you can see. So you can take y minus 5 common, and what will be left inside the bracket? That will be y square plus 5y and plus 26 is equal to 0. Now let's check what can be the factors of the second term, this quadratic equation. So if you check here, the discriminant of this equation, discriminant means square root of, or sorry, discriminant means b square minus 4ac. That means if you check 5 square minus 4 times this coefficient is 1 here, so 4 into 1 into this is 26. So write 26 here, and what you will get is this is 25 minus this will be 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8 plus 2 10. So it is coming negative. So discriminant of this equation is negative. This means this will not have any real root, so no real zeros or roots. So there are no values of y possible which could make this equation 0. So this will never be 0, but the product is 0. So definitely the other factor what we have written here, this must be 0, because this is not going to be 0. So this will definitely be 0. So from here we get that y minus 5 should be 0, or you can write y is equal to 5. Okay, so we can write, because we assumed that y was 2 to the power x, so from here you will write 2 to the power x is equal to 5, or taking log on both sides, you will have log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 5, and x will come into product here using logarithm. So x log 2 is equal to log 5, or from here you can also write x is equal to log 5 divided by log 2, or you can also write this as log of 5 base 2. This is the value of x, and this we had to find out. So this is the answer to this problem. So I hope you like this video. So please consider subscribing my channel and sharing this video with your friends also. So keep watching these videos. Thank you very much. Take care and bye bye.